One of the biggest misconceptions about freelancing is that it isn't profitable or a viable full-time career. However, this simply isn't true. According to Upwork's 2020 Freelance Forward report, approximately 59 million Americans did some kind of freelance work in 2020. While many of those workers freelance part-time or make a living from other sources of income, 32% of them freelance full-time, meaning they don't have a traditional employer and earn their income on a project-to-project basis. Hi everybody! In this video, we will discuss how you can start earning from freelancing. So, let's get started. It takes a lot of hard work and time to establish yourself as a freelancer and build a client base. Here are some steps you can take to start landing projects and making money from freelancing. Choose skill. Whether you're set to become a freelancer full-time or on the side, your business will be built around the unique skills you have to offer. So step 1 is identifying the different skills you've built over the years that other people may not have and want to pay you to use. If some roles required creativity or the use of specific software, it's even more likely that someone would be willing to pay you rather than take the time to learn that skill themselves. Your skills aren't limited to just what you've been paid to do. Go beyond the things you've already gotten paid for to things you've taught yourself or even your hobbies. Find target audience. Now that you have a freelance service to offer, you'll need to find a target audience. Start by identifying the type of clients that will be a good fit for your service. Do these clients have a shared problem and common characteristics? Are they in a specific industry? For most freelancers, there are 3 ways to acquire clients. Freelance job posting platforms. Leverage existing connections and networking. Marketing, advertising, and outreach. Pricing structure for services. Now that you've defined the service you provide and the client you provide it for, you'll need to decide how you'll charge for your services. You should choose a number that makes you excited to get up and do the work, isn't trying to compete on being the cheapest price, is still competitive with market rates. In reality, there is no perfect formula for pricing your freelancer services. Many variables can impact the amount that clients will be willing to pay, such as experience, project duration, project complexity, urgency. Create your portfolio. Creating a compelling portfolio is an integral step to becoming a successful freelancer. As a freelancer, your portfolio establishes your work quality by showcasing your accomplishments in past projects. This is your opportunity to show clients what you are capable of doing and the value of your expertise. Write a proposal. The right proposal can mean the difference between securing a job and not, so it's critical to have a proposal that works for you. The best way to build trust with a new client when you start a freelance business is by showing examples of past work that are similar to the work they are considering hiring you for. In short, a proper proposal should be a strong selling point for your abilities. Follow all of the discussed points and start your career as a freelancer. You can provide your services through online freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, etc., and you can also provide your freelancing services through your own website. This is it for today's video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.